In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Wix Members Area. Once you have added the Wix Members Area to your site, the next part is setting up how people can sign up and log in. This is an important area because it controls who can become a member and how secure the login process will be for your website. Start by going to your Wix dashboard. From there, open Settings, and then select Site Members. This is where Wix gives you the main controls for managing member access and registration options. If you are building a site with private content, community features, or member-only pages, this section is where you will handle those key permissions. After you are in Site Members, click on Sign Up and Login Security. This is the section that lets you decide how open or restricted your membership area will be. Wix gives you two main options here. You can choose Everyone if you want any visitor to be able to sign up as a member. This is useful if you want to grow your member base quickly or make access simple for your audience. The other option is Only People I Approve. This setting is better if you want more control over who joins your site. For example, if your site includes private resources, exclusive content, or a limited community, this option helps you review requests before giving access. Choosing the right setting depends on the kind of experience you want to create for your members. Next, set your login security and social authentication preferences. This part helps shape how users log in and how secure that process is. Depending on your goals, you can allow standard signups and also enable social login options, which can make registration faster and easier for users. Social authentication can improve convenience, especially for visitors who prefer signing in with an existing account instead of creating a new one from scratch. As you adjust these settings, keep both security and user experience in mind. A simpler login process can reduce friction for new members, while stricter approval settings can give you more control over access. The best setup is the one that matches the purpose of your site and the type of audience you want to serve. Once these options are set, your Wix Members Area will be configured to handle signups and logins the way you want. That covers everything you need to know.